Your first assignment for this week is going to be to set up an assignment page that you are going to end up linking all of your exercises to. Your assignment page needs to be done in Bootstrap. And you are going to be doing a little research on Bootstrap in this first assignment. All Bootstrap involves is adding classes to your HTML. So learning Bootstrap is just a matter of learning which classes you need to add. And the current version of Bootstrap is Bootstrap 4. So that is what we are going to be using. I do have an ebook in our course that you certainly can download and read. It's free from Tutorials Point. You can also utilize the links that I've included here. They are to W3 schools. I personally like their tutorials because they're interactive. And I find that I remember more if I am doing it while I'm learning it. And the ones that I have included here are the ones that I believe you should go through in order to understand enough of Bootstrap to create your assignment page. And when you're done with your assignment page, it should look something like this. And eventually you will have your different exercises linked in. And the one that I chose, you can actually click on the different lessons and then go into the assignments. The Bootstrap interface that you pick is totally up to you, but eventually we are going to put all of our lessons in here and our term project. Specific requirements, you have to have your HTML semantic tags to structure your page. A lot of the Bootstrap examples use div tags, and I don't want your page full of divs. If you have a semantic tag in place, then use the semantic tag. You should only add div tags if you don't have an existing HTML tag that will work. So you should have all your normal HTML tags, you know, header, nav for navigation, article, section, footer, bare minimum. You're going to use your Bootstrap 4 classes for formatting. And I do want a responsive layout. Bootstrap 4 is responsive. So if you put everything into a container and you use the Bootstrap grid, you will have a responsive page. You need some type of navigation menu for your exercises. And I did include information down here at the bottom, links to different types of navigation menus. I would like you to have at least one image in the page. And I would also like you to override at least 5 Bootstrap settings using an internal style sheet or inline styles. Quite often with Bootstrap, it does work better to use inline styles. If you are looking for some examples, these are several layouts that you can actually adopt or adapt. And you can kind of take a look at it to see if it's something that you might like. You can see that I did something very similar to that one. And what I actually did was I started modifying the code here to see if I liked it. And then I modified all of the code and I copied and pasted it right into VS Code. So the template that I chose was the Scroll Spy. So that is their template, and I customized it for my site. And you guys will need to do something similar. That is your first assignment. So you're going to work on your assignment page, and you're going to make sure that you have either Dev Server or Laragun installed. You don't need to have both, but you do need to have one.